100%. And for me, cloud, at the end of the day, it successfully delivers that availability, that performance, that scalability right from the get-go. But at the end of the day, it does not necessarily or automatically deliver those things that we look at, which is more on the organized analytics or standard KPIs or being able to provide reduced reporting backlogs or faster decision making. But what we are constantly seeing is customers live in the cloud, but they're still exporting data to Excel. They're still rebuilding these reports from scratch. They're still lacking a single version of the truth. And what we're trying to do is really, at the end of the day, you have to assume cloud exists, and focusing on organized SAP B1 data and standardized metrics makes that insight available immediately after go live. So, Darius, from SAP's side, how common is that gap between cloud success and real customer value?
Well, I mean, Alan already said a lot of things about cloud, and it's hard to add much to it. But I think, again, cloud is, I mean, not solving all of the problems, right? So Business One needs to be implemented properly and all of these things. But now, if you look a bit forward now with AI, for example, coming to Business One web client, and we can see also with the web client transition, many partners now building extensions side by side, coming from a cloud platform, from the BTP, from other external services. So of course, when your Business One is already in the cloud, there is some, as Alan said, some service level agreement. So it will be always online, available. It can scale. So if you have more load than usual, you can, maybe it's like a year-end thing or whatever, you can just, increase a bit the memory or the whatever this compute power. And also, if you want, you can have like easily a fallback system, a backup, high availability. You can do a lot of things which are very costly on the on-premise side. So if you are like a new customer and you consider to use Business One, I would strongly recommend to look into a cloud-hosted option because it's an easy way to start. It's affordable. And it gives you all the different sizings and possibilities in terms of scale, but also high availability. And again, just imagine you now have AI connected, some agents coming either from SAP or non-SAP, and then you have your on-premise installation, and there's some network problem maybe in your building, in your street, whatever, someone stumbled over a cable, whatever happens in the office, and then the agents cannot connect anymore from outside in. So if you're already out, it's much more easier, I think, to work in these new days, new environments, in this new world. So I believe cloud is really not just the foundation, and it's becoming, I would say, more and more the standard and requirement to be compliant and can work with all these different services coming from different partners, from different platforms to be connected all the time.